Listen up, entrepreneurs. Social media advertising is booming. It's where your customers are. Ignoring it? Huge mistake. This is your chance to build a business you love. Let's dive in. Think about it. Billions of people are scrolling every day. They're checking out products, engaging with brands. This is your target audience, ready to discover your services. Time to get in the game. Before launching any campaign, it's essential to know your audience inside and out. Who are they? What do they need? What are their preferences and behaviors? Understanding these aspects can make or break your campaign. What are their pain points? Identifying these pain points allows you to tailor your message to address their specific needs and challenges. This is crucial for success. Start with social listening. By monitoring social media platforms, you can gather real-time insights into what your audience is talking about. Use tools to track keywords related to your niche. What are people saying? What are their concerns? These tools can help you identify trends and sentiments that are important to your audience. This gives you valuable insights. Next, analyze your competitors. Who are they targeting? What strategies are they using to engage their audience? What are their ad strategies? Don't copy, but learn from them. Understanding their approach can help you refine your own strategies. Understand their strengths and weaknesses. This helps you differentiate. By knowing what they do well and where they fall short, you can position your brand more effectively. A business plan is your roadmap. It outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Don't skip this step. Start with your target market. Define their demographics, interests, and online behavior. Then outline your services and pricing. Be clear and concise. Next, define your marketing strategy. Which platforms will you use? What content will you create? How will you measure success? Detail everything. Finally, project your financials, estimate costs, revenue streams, and profit margins. Be realistic. Section 4. Right platform, right people. Choose wisely. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Each has its own unique features and user base. Each platform attracts a different demographic. Understanding who uses which platform is crucial for your strategy. Choose wisely based on your target audience. Analyze data to see where your potential customers are most active. Facebook is great for reaching a broad audience. It's particularly effective for engaging with older adults and families. Instagram is perfect for visual brands. If your business relies on stunning visuals, this is the platform for you. Twitter is ideal for real-time conversations. It's the go-to platform for news, updates, and engaging with trending topics. TikTok, Gen Z, and millennials. This platform is all about creativity and short, engaging videos. Don't spread yourself too thin. Managing too many platforms can dilute your efforts and reduce effectiveness. Focus on one or two platforms initially. Master them before expanding. This ensures you build a strong presence. This allows you to allocate resources effectively. A well-planned strategy leads to better engagement and results. Section 5. Show off. Building a killer portfolio. Clients want results. They want to see what you can do for them, and the best way to show them is through a well-crafted portfolio. Show them you can deliver by building an impressive portfolio. Highlight your best work. Include a variety of projects that demonstrate your skills and versatility. Make sure each piece tells a story of how you solved a problem or achieved a goal. Start by offering free or discounted services to gain experience. This not only helps you build your portfolio, but also allows you to refine your skills and processes. Run campaigns for local businesses or nonprofits. These organizations often have limited budgets and are grateful for the help. Plus, they can provide you with valuable testimonials and referrals. Ask for testimonials and showcase positive results. Testimonials add credibility and show potential clients that others have trusted you and were satisfied with your work. Create case studies that detail your process and results. Case studies provide a deeper look into your work and demonstrate your ability to deliver results. Use visuals, data, and client quotes. Visuals and data make your portfolio more engaging and easier to understand, while client quotes add a personal touch. Make it easy for potential clients to see your value. Your portfolio should be well organized and easy to navigate. Consider creating a dedicated website or a digital presentation that showcases your work in the best light. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused and keep pushing forward. be patient, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The business world is always evolving, and there's always something new to learn. Now go crush it.